In today's fast-paced manufacturing world, efficiency and precision are key to staying competitive. But complex MRP, ERP, and MPS systems can be prohibitively expensive for many. What if there was a simpler, more cost-effective solution? Introducing our innovative Excel-based production planning tool, designed to streamline your manufacturing process without the hefty price tag. With part manufacturing routings at its core, our tool automatically chooses the optimal machine for each operation from 2 user-provided options, ensuring flexibility and efficiency right from the start. Adjusting part batch quantities is a breeze, allowing for real-time adaptation to order changes or material availability, ensuring your production stays on track. Priority changes? No problem. Our tool enables swift adjustments, making sure urgent orders get the attention they need when they need it. Experience a virtual simulation of your factory floor as our tool dynamically moves parts to each machine based on the operations, providing a clear picture of the workflow and identifying any bottlenecks. Stay ahead with precise completion dates for each part or batch, enabling better planning and customer satisfaction. Our tool goes beyond traditional planning with an Excel Gantt chart for unparalleled management insight, including a capacity table for effective machine workload management. Discover at a glance which machines are at full capacity with our integrated capacity table, offering weekly buckets for proactive workload balancing. But that's not all. Adaptability is key, which is why our tool features customizable shift settings. Whether your operation runs on 1, 2, or 3 shifts, you can adjust shift lengths and start times to perfectly match your business needs, ensuring optimal productivity around the clock. Maximize your manufacturing potential with our Excel-based production planning tool. Flexible, detailed, and designed for efficiency, it's your solution to simplifying production planning while keeping costs down. Contact us today to get started and take control of your production schedule.